Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you all for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Before I get started with this really adorable, fun project to share with you all, I had a few of you message me asking or wanting to know if I'm safe with all of the bushfires that are happening here in Sydney, Australia, and also with the other states that are further south from New South Wales as well. I can say that I am safe. However, where I do live, we are surrounded by the bushfires at the moment. I live about an hour and a half away from Sydney, south of Sydney. So at the moment we are like at a watch and act, and just to prepare if the bushfires do start to head our way. At the moment, if I could show you out of my window, we are still covered in a blanket of smoke. It's really bad. We've had really bad winds, really hot temperatures. Today it is one of the hottest days I've ever known Sydney to, or where we live in Picton. It is 47 degrees at the moment. So if I was to convert that in Fahrenheit, for those that don't use degrees in temperature, it's 117 Fahrenheit. So it is very hot. It's very dry. We haven't had any rain in such a long time. So yeah, it's a potential of lots of bushfires here. But thank you everybody for your thoughts. So getting back to this really adorable project, I created these little teeny mini flip books with two pockets. As you can see, they just fit on the palm of my hand. If you like teeny tiny projects, this is a great project for you. It also only needs one piece of 6x6 paper, so great for your 6x6 paper pad projects. I'm also going to show you how to make one and how you can make the little pocket as well, which is also using a 6x6 paper as well. It's really easy, great little gift to give to somebody that's into planning. You can add some little paper clips in there, some washi sample, great as a teacher's gift as well. You can give them some cute little stickers, little post-it, little mini post-it little pad things that you can stick in there as well. If you're in a group swap in happy mailing, I know some of you are into a Facebook happy mailing group, these would be great to gift to one of your swap partners as well. So I'm going to show you the inside, and I'll also show you how you can make one of these. It's really simply, I just simply embellish the front, and then on the inside I also just paper laid it with just using my paper scraps. So again, great to use your paper scraps, and you can embellish the little pages in here and some of your die cuts. This is the next page, and I kept that simple as well. And this here is the side pocket, and that's where I've kept some paper clips. So great for little packaging. And up here is the top pocket where I've got some washi sample. So this would be a great little gift to give to somebody that's into planning, and you can give them some washi samples, some paper clips that they could use in their planners, and that fits in the top pocket there. And this is the next page here where I've just embellished that, and you flip that up, and there's another spot here where you could also add another tuck spot, add another pocket, add some more goodies in there, or you can just embellish it the same way I've done. And that's the front, and that's your pocket. I just thought adding a pocket would be just a great way to just finish off your project as you gift it to somebody. And it's still not too bulky, and a nice way to send that off just like that as well. This is the other one I made using some vellum for the pocket, and this is the little teeny mini flip book. You can also use it as a little mini photo album too if you wanted to. I think those little Instax Polaroid photos, I think they may fit in here. I'm not too sure of the size, but again I've just embellished the front. And this is the inside where I've embellished these two pages. This here is a die from KS Crafts. I will do a video with some of the dies that they have sent to me, and this is one of the dies, and I'll do that in my next video. And I've just used some paper scraps here just to decorate the bottom, and just fold that over the page here and punched a little hole and added a tassel. And then that's the other end where I fold it over. I just thought that's a great way to decorate your page as well. And so this is the next double page. Again, I just embellished that. And this is the side pocket. I've got in here just a little pocket with some banners and a tag. And that's just another great way to add a little gift. So you just want to make your little packaging and tags or your little embellishments just so they fit nicely in the pockets. And this here is the top pocket. I've just got a tag in there just to show you where the top pocket is. And this is the next page, and you flip that up, and I've got here a little tuck spot using a heart die that I have, and I just made that into a little tuck spot for a little mini envelope with some stickers in there. This would be a great gift also to as a teacher's gift, or just a little gift for somebody, and that goes in there. And I think that's a cute little neat packaging way. So I'm going to show you how to make the flip book first. You need your 6x6 piece of paper, and we're going to score it at 2 inches and 4 inches. We'll turn that over, and you're just going to then just score it at 3 inches. And we're going to just cut here on your left side. We're just going to cut that score line up to there, and just cutting it to there. And then we're also just going to make one cut on this right panel on that score line just up to the middle there as well. So they're the 2 score lines that we're going to cut. I'm just going to cut this out a bit more. Just to fix that up. Alright. And now what we'll do here, these 2 panels here, we're going to bring that to the front, and we're just going to line it up and fold that down. Just folding that down in the middle there. And we're just going to quick open that up again, and using your glue or your 1/8 of an inch double-sided tape, we just want to place some glue along the inside of that score line. Just trying to see, I've got the sun coming at me, so I've got a bit of shadow. And then you just want to apply a little bit of glue down here as well. And then we bring that back over, and we'll just seal that off. And that will give you that side pocket. So now we'll just bring that piece over to the front, and that will give you that white page. And then this one here, we'll bring that over as well to give you your other page or your front cover. As you can see, my papers don't line up, but you can always trim all that down later. I'll just trim one now. Alright, so you'll have that, and then you'll have that, and then you'll have that part here. So we'll just bring that back over. We're going to turn that over now, and we're going to apply some glue to the edge of that paper and to the bottom here up to that fold line. Just up to there. And then also down the bottom here. Next, we're just going to bring this over and line that up. And press that down, and that will give you that top pocket up here. And then this piece here, we're just going to fold that over. And press all that down. So you'll have that page, you'll have your tuck spot. Your tuck spot just here, and you should have a top pocket up there, and when you turn that over, that should flip up. So that's how you make this cute little teeny mini flip book. And now to make the pocket, so I've got the other piece of my 6x6 paper from this one, so all you needed to do was just cut it in half, and you'll get 2 pieces at 3 inches by 6 inches. With this one you don't need the scoreboard. All we're going to do here is we're just going to bring one side over, and you just want to fold it over, leaving just about half an inch, or not too much, maybe a quarter of an inch, just enough to be able to bring that flap over so we could close it. So now we're just going to bring that side over from the inside. We're going to open that up, and we're going to bring the bottom up as well. Same, probably about just half, quarter of an inch. And we open that up. Let's get the scissors. And just on this little corner here, I'm just going to cut that right across where the 2 score lines meet in the middle. And then I'm going to also cut along this left panel here up to that middle score line. And then cutting this side at an angle on the inside side, just doing that. You may also want to cut up here if you wanted to, just up to that score line, so it's just easy to assemble the pocket. And now we're just going to place some glue on along here. Or before you glue it, you can use your circle punch and punch a half a circle to create a thumb notch first on one of the panels. But I'm not going to do that for this video. And then we're just going to bring that over and lining that up. And then we'll just place some glue on the bottom here, and that will close your pocket. Or you can use your double-sided tape. I don't know why I like using my glue, because it gives me time to adjust my papers if I need to adjust my papers. With a double-sided tape, once I stick it down, it's stuck down, and that gives you your little pocket. And then you can just simply place your little mini flip book inside your pocket this way. And there is there is a bit of a width there, which is great. So then if you have packaging like I've got here that comes out a little bit, you have room to be able to place your a flip book with your packaging in there. So that is the little mini flip book and the cute little pocket. We're using a 6x6 paper. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this a go, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.